Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nikki. I'm the owner of Annie's Hair. Today we're going to be talking about the difference between raw hair and virgin hair and how you can test to ensure that you have raw hair in your hand. The difference is that raw hair is considered hairs that have not been processed. So basically hair that just cut from the donor's head and literally just washed and they send it to you, they sell it like that. So it's not processed, it doesn't have chemicals, it has not been steamed processed or chemical processed, it's just at its natural form. It means that if that person's hair, the donor's hair, if that person's hair gets frizzy when it's hot outside or when water touches it, the hair you have in your hand is going to act the same way. So raw hair can be a little hard to maintain if you're not good at maintaining wigs. In fact, it might sometimes not act right. It might tangle sometimes because you don't know how to maintain it, right? It's something that you have to literally learn how to take care of it. When with raw hair, you can bleach it and it can turn to 613. It can lift up to 613, extremely blonde. And with good quality raw hair, the hair can actually turn to 613 and still maintain a very good quality. You can style it with the highest heat and the hair will not melt. Because when you coil your own hair, you don't see your hair melting, right? But people expect that when they have raw hair, it means that, oh, the hair would not tangle, it would not have any problem. Remember, these are human hair, right? Your natural hair, remember, it tangles sometimes. If you don't take care of it, it can tangle. If you don't wrap it and you just sleep in on it like that and you don't wash and condition it, your hair is going to tangle. If you don't comb your hair properly and put it in a bonnet when you go to sleep, it's going to tangle. So don't expect that hair will do magic. If you don't take care of it, it's just not going to last long and it's not going to just be what you expect it to be. And also to be able to maintain that hair, it requires high maintenance. In my experience, I think raw hair is high maintenance. With raw hair, when you buy a hair and they tell you it's raw, you want to take that hair and you want to take a scissors and you want to scrape the body of that hair. If what is coming out is white, you're gonna see on this video, if it's pure white, then that's raw hair. If you bleach it and it turns to 613 and still maintains good quality, then you have raw hair in your hand. A lot of people market their hair these days as raw hair because that's what sells. Everybody wants raw hair. So even when hair has been processed, when it's bone straight, for a hair to be bone straight, it means it's been extremely processed. When it's extremely coily, you literally know it's processed, right? And people will be like, oh, this is donor hair, this is raw hair. I'm not saying that the hair, the material that is used to make those processed hair, they are not raw, but when they were gotten, they were raw. But once they process it to turn it into a different texture, now it's no longer that 100% raw. Because when you take something that is not processed, that has not been tampered with, and you tamper with it, it's no longer the same. So that is it for raw. But for virgin hair, what we call virgin hair, I'm not saying those are not quality hair. I have a lot of virgin hair myself. I sell virgin hairs, I sell raw hairs, depending on what you can afford. Virgin hairs are less cheaper than raw hairs, but with virgin hair, they're already processed. So if you're a girly that maintaining hair is something that you struggle with, you want to get virgin hair because it's easier to maintain. High quality virgin hair. The same way raw hair has quality by quality, that's how virgin hair has quality by quality. You can buy a cheaper virgin hair that will literally be, you just use it once and it's trash. You can buy a high quality virgin hair that you can use over and over and over again. Virgin hairs don't live to 613, they can live to color 27. Some of them are very good, they take heat good, they maintain the texture, and it's easy to maintain. Your deep coils, your wavy coils, like some of them are already, you want the hair to be steamed processed instead of chemically processed, right? So that's something you have to ask the vendor. So when it's steam processed, it's still good. It's good quality hair, there's nothing wrong with it, and again, it's affordable and it's maintainable. It's easy for you to maintain. It's not something that you have to struggle with in raw hair. So bottom line is, when next time somebody's telling you what they're selling is raw hair, make sure you test it for yourself with the ways I've told you. scrape it and look out like the white. Scrape it and make sure that what is coming out of that hair is white. Bleach it and see if it turns to 613. And for the virgin hair, you know it's good quality. Look out for filler hairs. Look out for if the hair is melting when you're coiling it or flat ironing and all of that. That's how you know the quality of the hair you have in your hand. Fillers, that's for virgin hair. You want to look out for fillers. You want to see if it's melting when you're coiling it. You want to see when you wash it, does it lose its texture and all of that. It's just a whole lot of things. If you want to know more about hair and how to test hair, put it on my comment section. Please subscribe and comment. And thank you so much. See you in the next one. Ciao.